Hi there makers, I'm Gavin.
And I'm Annie.
We're here at Minerva and we hope you are having a fantastic week. Now, one of the things that we absolutely love the most and we're most proud of about Minerva is our fantastic sewing community. We have got an amazing network of sewers from literally all around the world, sharing their makes, chatting about sewing, sharing their top tips. And it's just such a wonderful place.
Yeah.
Such a great load of information that you can learn from everybody. And it is completely free to join the Minerva community. So it's a fantastic place to come, connect, share your makes.
So every month we want to shine a light on the wonderful makers we have in our community. So we are starting off our new video series, which is this month at Minerva, which is just going to highlight some of the fantastic makes we've had on site every month, some of the challenge entries, and just highlight what's been going on in the Minerva community each month.
So before we get started, Annie, what are you wearing today?
So I'm wearing the Closet Core Knix dress in the Celestial Cats cotton lawn, which maybe wasn't the best choice for November.
It is quite cold.
I've layered up underneath. We're okay.
Well, we obviously got the big cat memo today.
We are big cat fans.
So I am wearing the McCall's 6044 men's shirt. And this is in our Minerva exclusive What Abby Makes Petal Prowl Viscose Twill. With some core range viscose twill as well.
And some fabulous sequin tiger patches. We can't not talk about
some
the
little
sequins
too,
patches.
because, we're almost at Christmas.
Yeah.
So we're getting into the festive vibe here at Minerva. So, without further ado, let's dive into what's happening this month at Minerva. So this November, we challenged our makers to get involved in our So Comfy challenge. And what we wanted to see is all your best loungewear, cozy, comfy makes, sweaters, cardigans, basically whatever feels cozy and comfy to you. And we had some fantastic entries.
Yes, there were so many great ones, so many comfy makes, so many inspiring makes. It's definitely inspired me to get on with the cozy fabrics that I've got that I haven't cut out yet. So, yeah.
Well, that's part of the reason, I think, sometimes to see the inspiration, just to give us all a little bit of a boost. So what did you really love from this challenge?
The one I really, really loved was Diplo Knit. Definitely living up to her name. She knitted this gorgeous Fair Isle cardigan, really gorgeous colours, a lovely pattern, and she had been working on this for over 10 years.
That is quite something.
An achievement, and she's finally finished it, so definitely go and check that one out. It's absolutely gorgeous and definitely worth the wait.
Well, talking of projects that were started a few years ago, one that I absolutely loved was Issa J's quilt that she shared. Now, if you haven't seen Issa J on site, do go and check her out because she has got a very unique style. Yes. She is all about bold colours, particularly those reds and pinks.
Oh, yeah.
And her quilt is just gorgeous. It's very K-facet. And it's one that she exhibited at Festival of Quilts a couple of years ago. And it is just absolutely gorgeous. Yeah. And I think would just bring a burst of joy into any room.
Definitely, yeah. I think sort of in the cold winter months, it's just giving that lovely sort of boost of colour that I think we all need.
Absolutely.
Another one I really loved was Bobbins for Dinner had used our core range cotton waffle fabric, which kind of like a dressing gown kind of fabric, I think most people think of it of. But she'd made the Pecker jacket by Ready to Sew, and it's this lovely kind of oversized cardigan jacket. It's got massive pockets, which I love a massive pocket.
We love a pocket.
It's lined in this lovely fabric as well. And it just, I think it's giving secret dressing gown, which I am all about. I think it just looks so comfy and so cozy.
Well, one that I thought was perfect for this brief and was also so comfy and cozy was Carmen, aka Cag the Mag from Black Sewing Network. She took a quilted comforter and upcycled it into a fantastic oversized hoodie using the Simplicity 8947 pattern. And it just looks so much fun. Yeah. And it's just a fabulous way of taking something old and breathing new life into it, and it just looked absolutely fantastic. If you want to take a look at all the entries in our So Comfy challenge, then do head over to Minerva and search for #SoComfy or follow the link in our description below. Also, on the post at Minerva, you will see all the winners of the competition. So if you want to find out whether you were a winner in the challenge, check the description, and best of luck.
Good luck. So we also wanted to highlight just some of our favourite makes that we've spotted on site this month. So these are just anything that we spotted throughout the month that we just really, really love and wanted to highlight. And the first one that I really wanted to highlight was Kizzy Stitches made this gorgeous kind of, it's very summery, so it's definitely brightening up the cold winter days. She made McCall's 7950 in our Channy handmade Doodle Daisy linen viscose, and it's just so joyful, it's so gorgeous, and she made this fantastic head wrap as well out of her remaining fabric, and I think it's just... I spotted it, it looked really summery, it really brightened my day, and I thought, I want to be wearing that now, not a big cosy cardigan because it's that cold.
There's absolutely something to be said for continuing to sew with bright colours, I think, in whatever makes you happy.
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
Now, one that I really loved, given that we're kind of slipping into the festive season now, was Olga Taylor's take on the Minerva exclusive Christina dress. I think this is like a skater style dress that looks fantastic in so many different fabrics, but Olga made it in a really sumptuous red velvet, and it just looks like the most comfy party dress.
Yes.
I feel like if you're looking for something for the party season that's going to be easy to sew but still got that glam factor, I thought this absolutely was perfect.
Yes, it's just a beautiful dress, and I think it's not a printed fabric, it's just like all one colour, but the texture of the velvet just really adds that kind of elevated factor to it. It's just gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Another one that I wanted to just highlight and give a shout out to is our very own Diane, Sewing Green Lady. In amongst doing all of our sew-alongs for us, she has also made her new daughter-in-law's wedding dress and 2 bridesmaid dresses, and I did also spot Diane wearing a me-made dress in the photos as well. All the dresses that she shared look beautiful, and I think just how she's fit that in amongst doing anything else, I don't know. So massive shout out to Diane.
She has done wonders, and the lace work she did on the wedding dress was just beautiful. Gorgeous, and I hope they had a fantastic day. Yeah. As a boy who sews, I really like to kind of seek out a bit of menswear inspiration when there is some. And this month, one I absolutely loved was from Paul Cooper, who's also one of our brand new Minerva brand ambassadors. He shared a fantastic make that he made in this lovely Robert Kaufman brushed cotton flannel. And it was an overshirt jacket by Wardrobe by Me. And, absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, it looked really stylish. It was really well sewn. I think you can't go wrong with a kind of flannel overshirt, really, can you?
Yeah, I think it's kind of perfect for this season and works so well for men or women. Yeah. I think it's just a great thing to have in your wardrobe. And yeah, Paul's just looked absolutely fantastic. Now, something a little extra that we fancy doing for these videos was picking out a Maker of the Month, someone who's really stood out to us in the community this month, maybe someone who's like really involved in the community, shares lots, or has done some particularly interesting makes. So for this month, we wanted to shine the spotlight on Way I Sew. She has done so many fantastic makes and is definitely very engaged in the community. But this month, I absolutely loved her upcycled tablecloth makes.
They were gorgeous.
Now, these are not seasonal in any way. As she says herself, she definitely won't be wearing these until spring. But she's made 2 absolutely gorgeous tops that are using upcycled embroidered tablecloths. And just the way she's used the original designs, the placement of them is so perfect. I always think everything she makes has got like a real
Yeah.
beautifully.
She's got a real eye for detail.
She really does.
Yeah.
And I think these in particular, I just thought were absolutely gorgeous. So congratulations to Way I Sew. You're our Maker of the Month.
If there's someone that you think has been a really active member of the community, if there's something you've seen that has just really caught your eye and you think they deserve our Maker of the Month next month, then let us know in the comments below. So finally, we want to launch our December sewing challenge. So this month we are launching our Best of 2025. So all month we want to celebrate your favourite makes of the past year with you. So you can share anything that you've made. It can be something you've sewn, something you've knitted or crocheted, and just let us know why it is your favourite make of 2025. It could be you've tackled a new skill, you've tried a new pattern, you've sorted a fitting issue, maybe you've finally finished a knitted cardigan you started over 10 years ago. So all you need to do to enter is share a post on Minerva. It can be a photo or a video of your favourite make. Do a little write-up of why it's your favourite make of 2025, and don't forget the hashtag Best of 2025 so your entry will count.
We do this kind of challenge every year,
Yeah.
and honestly, it's one of my favourites because I think it's so nice to see what everyone has picked as some of their best makes, and it's always so varied, and it's a great one to kind of really dive in on and see what everyone's been sharing. It's a great way to see maybe patterns that you've missed this year, or a great way to get tips from other people. It's just a fantastic challenge, and I'm very excited to see what people are sharing.
Excited as well, yeah. And I think it's nice to just go back over your makes from the last year.
It's a celebration of yourself, really, and what you've achieved this year, what you've created. And even if you've only done one thing this year, absolutely, that can be your best of 2025. Share it. We want to see it. You can enter as many times as you like with different makes. Just make sure that you put your hashtag Best of 2025 with each one so that you enter. And we have got 10 £100 Minerva gift cards to give away, so there are lots of good reasons to get involved. If you'd like some more details on how to get involved in our Best of 2025 challenge, do check the link below. There's a link there direct to the page with all the details that you can find out there. If you don't have a Minerva account yet, it is completely free to sign up. You don't need to be using Minerva fabrics or Minerva patterns. Honestly, we want to see everything that you make. It's just a fantastic community where you can connect with people from around the world, learn, share tips, get inspiration. So head over to minerva.com/register and you can sign up, join the community and take part in our December challenge. We'll be back for another This Month at Minerva in January, where we'll be looking back at all your best of 2025 makes and launching our first challenge for 2026. So we are very excited about that, and we'll see you then.